Hello there, little scientists, and welcome to Science Made Silly. This is the place where we get to make science super, super fun. Today, we're going to do some amazing experiments that swirl and fizz and maybe even explode just a little bit. So get ready, because we are about to have some seriously colorful fun.
So, are you ready? Are you ready to make colors pop and watch bubbles grow bigger and bigger? Oh, it's going to be so exciting. Okay, let's put on our pretend lab coats. Got them? Good. And let's jump right into our very first experiment.
All right, first up, we have something that feels just like a magic trick. It's called the Magic Milk Rainbow. We're going to create this beautiful, swirling, colorful surprise, and you have got to see this. Okay, it's super easy. First, you'll want to ask a grown-up to help you pour some milk into a dish. Perfect. Next, just add a few drops of your favorite colors. Look at them, just sitting there looking all pretty. And now for the magic part. We dip a cotton swab in just a little bit of soap and, get ready. Wow! Whoa, look at that. The colors are just exploding everywhere. They're swirling and dancing all around. It's like a fireworks show right in our dish. Isn't that just the coolest thing? So how in the world did that happen? Well, it was soap power. You see, the soap's big job is to chase after all the tiny bits of fat in the milk. And when it does that, it pushes the colors all around, which makes that amazing, beautiful, dancing swirl. Science is pretty much magic.
Okay, that was awesome. But are you ready for our next one? We are going to make a volcano erupt. That's right, we're making our very own fizzy red lava. Now this one might get a little messy, which, is the best part.
Okay, making an eruption is super simple. Just get a grown-up to help you fill up your volcano with some baking soda, and then add some red color to make it look like real hot lava. And now, for the secret ingredient, vinegar. Are you ready to do a big countdown with me? Okay, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, pour!
Yes, look at it go. It's fizzing. All that red lava is bubbling and foaming right over the top. Can you hear that? Shh. Listen. Fizz. That's the sound of some awesome science happening right now. So, what made all that fizz? It was a gas called carbon dioxide. When we mixed our baking soda and vinegar together, they made tons of tiny little bubbles. And those bubbles made all the foam. And that foam was our awesome lava eruption. Okay, we have made color swirl, and we've made lava fizz. But I have a really important question for you. Are you ready for the biggest one yet? Because this next one is a giant foamy surprise. I am so ready. It is time for a giant foam explosion. This experiment is so big and so foamy that it has a super silly name. It's called elephant toothpaste. Don't worry, we don't need any elephants. We're just going to make a huge mountain of colorful, bubbly foam. Now for this one, you will definitely need a grown-up to help with the ingredients, okay? We're going to mix a special kind of peroxide, some soap, and, of course, our favorite colors. And then, we add the special ingredient that makes it all happen. Yeast! Let's do one last giant countdown together. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Just look at that mountain of foam. It is erupting right out of the top, and it just keeps growing bigger and bigger and bigger. It's so fast, and it's so colorful. And get this, the foam is even a little bit warm. How cool is that? That was a super fast reaction. Our special ingredient, the yeast, it's kind of like a super fast helper. It helps break everything down really, really quickly, and that makes lots of bubbles all at once. And that's what made our giant, amazing foam explosion. Wow, what an amazing day. We learned that science can do so many cool things. We saw science swirl with our magic milk. We saw it fizz with our awesome volcano, and we saw it explode with our giant elephant toothpaste. So you know what we discovered today? We learned that science isn't boring at all. Science is colorful, it's surprising, and it is absolutely amazing. It's all about just asking questions and being curious.
And now, I have one final, very important question for you. After seeing all this cool stuff, what will you experiment with next? Keep asking those questions, stay curious, and always, always have fun with science. See you next time, my little scientists.